Mabuhay from the islands of the Philippines!
These islands are gorgeous, but watching it from your phone, you will get bored after 5 seconds. So let me tell you what makes this place incredible. Above water, it's heaven on earth even when there is no sun. But it's not just what's above the water and on the water that's beautiful, it's also what's hiding underneath. You have the gazillion small fish that love you and the gigantic fish that does not give a damn about you. There is a Japanese shipwreck hiding right under your feet. And if salt water isn't really your style, there's always a lake hiding behind these rocks that'll take your breath away. That's why this place is incredible.
That's 1 minute! See you tomorrow! Okay.